Hi there, Mariette Martinez here, and I want to share with you the resources on IRS.gov so you can decide on whether or not you need to file your tax return. Go to IRS.gov. On the homepage, you're going to see some helpful areas here that you can click through, in addition to some tools and applications. But let's go ahead and click on File, How to File. On how to file, you're going to see a series of links that are going to be very helpful for you to decide on when to file and how to file. But the most important question is check if you need to file. Click on check if you need to file. Now you're going to get the information on who must file and the specifics in regard to the income amount that requires you to file, in addition to the filing status that you are as a taxpayer and whether you are under 65 at the end of the tax year, 65 or older at the end of the tax year, or possibly a dependent. So this is a very important web page on the IRS.gov website, which will guide you on if you need to file a tax return. Of course, if you're looking at this page and you're already feeling a bit overwhelmed or confused, you have two options. You can actually choose the wizard here that says you can also answer questions on whether or not you need to file, which will take you through the Do I Need to File a Tax Return wizard, which is actually the Interactive Tax Assistant ITA tool. Or you can go ahead and talk to a tax professional or a trusted peer that can walk you through this page. Now that you know how to see whether or not you are required to file under how to file, let's go ahead and see how you can qualify for a free tax return. So go back to IRS.gov and this time scroll down to where it says IRS Free File. There you want to click on Guided Tax Software, Explore Free Guided Tax Software. You can find a trusted partner by adding in some responses to a few questions, but I've already browsed all the trusted partners, so I would click on Browse All Trusted Partners. Now here is where you want to choose your trusted partner from, because if you choose from this page, which is the IRS.gov page that has the trusted partners on them, you will possibly be eligible for a free tax return. You know that because the banner will say IRS Free File Program delivered by FreeTaxUSA, which means that you got to this website through the IRS Free File website. And then you'll actually have the option to try to come in here and create your return and see if you're eligible for a completely free federal and state. And if you use FreeTaxUSA, for example, and you are not eligible for the completely free federal and state return, you still would get a free federal return and you would just pay $14.99 for the state return. So again, you want to make sure you go through the path from the IRS Free File website versus if you just came over here to FreeTaxUSA, then you're going to notice on this page, you do not see the banner that says IRS Free File Program delivered by FreeTaxUSA. Here you're going straight to the website, and this means you are not going to be eligible for the free federal and state. You will still be eligible for the free federal because everyone is, but you won't be eligible for the free state. So that's why you want to continue through the path from the IRS website, click on View This Trusted Partner, and then go ahead and see if you are eligible that way. And that's how you can check whether or not you need to file and if you qualify for completely free tax filings. Hope that was helpful.